was 19, you were
Yes, thumbs up for that intro though. Like, wasn't I like killing it? So I'm going to be taking my color from my Kylie Cosmetics. I won't be telling the colors because I think this palette it a confuse me because choose the color upon the back of the palette and it has stressed me out. I don't know which one for tell you now, but it's this one right here. I notice I'm using the side of my brush in order to get to deposit the color. If I had gone in on the tip of the brush, it would have gone, the color have gone where I didn't want it to go. So because I just wanted it to be deposited on that area, I just use the side of the brush. But this is my MAC 224. This is absolutely one of my favorite brushes. And I'm going to take that burgundy color and I'm putting it in my crease as well. And this look is a very warm look. And anytime I'm doing warm looks or any look with red in it, I always grab my Kylie palette and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Always. Whenever I'm doing warm colors. Because I like how the reds fare in these two palettes. Now, as I said before, the ABH, that what I'm using now, I mean, it's okay. It's not all that. But it has reds in it and I need the red. So I'm just putting color where I'm going to put it right in that area of my eyes. Then I'm taking another fluffy brush and I'm depositing that orange color on my lid. The reason why I use that fluffy brush is because I didn't want the color to be placed. I just wanted a wash of color, basically, to just go on my eyes. Just to add a little bit of color there, but not too much, you know what I mean? So I didn't go with my white. I didn't try to make it pop or anything. I just wanted the color to be kind of muted, basically. Then I'm taking that brown and I'm putting it in my crease. I did not use any black for this look. I wanted it to stay nice and almost neutral, but not really. And I keep on blowing on my palette because, as you know, for this Kylie palette, it tends to be the color, what do you call it? I don't say chalky, but it I don't say runs either, but it flakes off a lot. Then I'm going with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just depositing that brown again. Taking this shimmery color, not shimmery color, like frosty color from the Kylie palette. You see how it made my brow bone just like 10 more notches? Yes. And I don't like putting anything frosty or shimmery on my brow bone. But for this look, I really like how it came out. Back in with my 224 and I'm taking the orange color from the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going right above where I placed all the other colors, just right under my brow bone because the color, it just looks a little bit too white for me. Again, however I do my makeup is how I do my makeup. This is how I prefer to do my makeup. If you're watching this to know what to do, in order to know what to do, I would say use this as a guideline. Use this as a guideline, but not necessarily what to do exactly, Jonathan. So now I'm going over the frosty color with a white. I don't know, I guess midway I didn't like it. But looking back on this clip, I should have left it frosty because I really liked how it looked. Then I'm taking my black eyeliner pencil. And this pencil is actually from the InstaStyle Set from LA Colors that I got from Fontana. That's where this black came from. I've been using this black eyeliner like crazy because it's just there on the table. I just grab it up and I'm just using it. So then I'm taking that burgundy color, it's like a frosty burgundy color, and I'm putting it right on my lash line and a little bit below where I placed the black eyeliner pencil. Then I'm going underneath the eyeshadow with the black eyeliner pencil and kind of creating like a little liner eyeshadow sandwich on my lash line. Then I'm taking one of my amazing products. I think it's called the Illuminate or the Luminate. It's a 5-piece set from LA Colors. I love that golden color and I should have left it golden, but you're going to see I went in with another color on top and I just did not like how the other color looked. But yeah, so I got that middle nose highlight from Amrize. If you guys aren't following Amrize on Snapchat, like, what are you doing? Her makeup is always fire. So I got that middle nose highlight from her. On the tip of the nose, you know, so it's around the place also. So this blush is also from the InstaStyle set from the that I got at Fontana, the same set that the black eyeliner came in. So I'm using that blush to apply my blush. Is that redundant? But I'm using the blush, guys. This look is A1. Oh, this is my RiRi Boy from MAC. Remember when Rihanna had her collection with MAC, and I have not been wearing my MAC lipsticks, and I said last year that I'm going to start wearing my MAC lipsticks because I have not been wearing them and they're just there in my collection like doing nothing. So I'm lining my lips with Cara Mia, and yeah, that's the brand, and the color is called Wine. But any ready lipstick or lip liner that you have, like burgundy-ish color, it will work really well with RiRi Boy. This is what me on top, boy. I shouldn't have gone in with this other highlight because it just make it look chalky. Like that other highlight is for like lighter skin colors, like, you know, like for my Caucasian babies. According to Nietzsche, she says Caucasian babies. But yeah, so, but I should have just left it with the golds, because I really like how the gold came out. Guys, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy it, you know. I really hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if you do recreate it, please go ahead and tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Lyric Rochester. I'm just placing that color in my happy ear just to bring some oomph to that area of my eyes. And look at how it just brightened it up. Yes, boo-boo. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.
21, the year we got engaged, and everyone said we were much too young, but we did it anyway.